Welcome to AutoRepairCloud.com. Go to Data and Analytics section. Click the Import button. You can import into your inventory such data as owners, owners and vehicles, owners, vehicles and repairs, and parts. Press one of the buttons that correspond to the data you need to import. To prepare the data for import correctly, you can watch our recommendations and use template or example. Now let's try to import auto parts. Prepare the file for import, press Import Auto Parts into Inventory, select the prepared file, and press OK. If you did everything right, you will see that import went successfully. Now let's go to Auto Parts and Inventory and select the Inventory tab. We can see that auto part has been successfully added to your inventory. Thank you for watching our client web portal review. If you think this video is useful, please click the like button and subscribe to see our videos and stay updated.